An RFI can be created by anyone in the contractor team. To create an RFI using the NHAI Data Lake web platform, first, tap on the RFI module available on the homepage. Once the RFI module opens, tap on the Schedule RFI button. Select the UCC you want to create an RFI for and tap Done. Now, fill in the required details. Enter the start and end chainage for the RFI. Please note, if the chainage you enter does not fall within the selected UCC, the system will not allow you to proceed. Next, enter the inspection details, including category, subcategory, item, layer, and side. Add your remarks with a limit of up to 150 characters. When setting the inspection date and time, ensure there is at least a 4-hour gap between RFI creation and the scheduled inspection time. Finally, select the inspector. It can be yourself or a member of your team. Then, tap the Add RFI button to complete the process. You can add one or multiple RFIs in one bundle and schedule them. You fill in the inspection details again. Enter the category, subcategory, item, layer, side and description. Data Lake 3.0 does not allow you to create duplicate RFIs under one UCC for same category, subcategory, item, layer, and side. The system will prevent creation of more than one RFI on same chainages. For example, on screen, the system is raising a flag for duplicacy. After changing the value of side parameter, this RFI can now be added to the bundle. You can also save this bundle as draft to add more RFIs later. You can access the drafts from RFI listing page. By clicking on View and Edit RFI, you can access the bundle, add more RFIs or submit them to schedule these RFIs. These newly scheduled RFIs will be visible on the RFI listing page to the contractor as well as the AEI team lead. To see inspections pending on you, click on the Pending Inspections card. Use your mobile device to perform the inspections.